Hello everyone, I'm Monica. Today we are going to make a creative game on PowerPoint with the use of rolling dice. So, are you excited to learn something new today? First of all, I'm going to explain you the rules of the game. This is two-player game. Both player will roll dice one by one. The player who is lucky enough to throw a 5 will take one step forward. That's why the game name is Lucky 5. Let's start the game. Here the two players are there. One is blue player and other is red player. You will need two mouse to play the game. The player will click dice one by one. The player who is lucky enough to throw a 5 and will take one step forward and gain 5 points. Likewise, the player who first got 30 points will win. I am showing you the game in fast forward way. You know the rules of the game. You know how this game is working. Now it's time for how to make this game. Very easy and creative game. You are gonna love it. If you don't subscribe me yet, do subscribe. Let's begin the tutorial of this game. First of all, open a new slide, click on insert and select a background image. Then again click on insert and select the word art, choose a word art, and I'm going to write here the name of my game and going to shift it into the first row. Select size and font and color as you want. Then again click on insert. I'm selecting here an image. Set it accordingly. Whole thing I have already downloaded. Then again click on insert and select the two pics of the car and set it here. This is the first page. I'm going to prepare the first page of it. Again insert, select a text box and I'm going to write here rules. Select size, font and color as your wish. And I am going to paste the rules here. Set the size, font and color as you want. Again insert and text box. Click on insert and click on text box. I'm going to write here the two-player game. Set the size, color as you want. This is our first page is preparing. After that, click on insert, click on shapes and I am selecting here a star shape and right click format shape and I am going to give the color which is red color. Here I am giving it and again insert text box and I am going to write here start. Font size I'm going to change it according to me. You can change it according to you. After that, as this is our first page, this is our first look. After that, next slide. Before going to the next slide, I am coming back to my first slide. In which I am going to give the start. Click on insert, action, hyperlink to next slide. Click on OK. What will happen when you click on start button? The next slide will open. Then again picture and I'm going to select here our first image, that is the racing track. Do set it on the page and then click on insert and select the two cars of our racing track, that one is blue car and one is red car. Two players are there and two cars are there for two players. After that click on insert shapes and select a rectangle shape. I am going to divide the track in 6 parts. each part having 5 points, and the car who attend first 30 points will win the game. So just copy and paste and right click, fill color as you want. Make the track colorful, fill different colors in every rectangle. Same procedure, right click, format shape, and there is an option of solid fill. When it is all done, click on home, right select, selection pane. Here you can rename all your objects.
Yes.
I am going to rename all the rectangles which are in first row and the second row. In the first row I am going to write step 1 blue, step 2 blue, step 3 blue, step 4 blue, step 5, step 6 blue, like that. And I am going to do same for the second row, which is of red color car. Step 1 red, step 2 red, step 3 red, like that. After that I am going to rename the two cars that which is written here, two picture, that is blue car and red car. After that again insert text box, select text box and write 5 points and set it on the rectangle box. Set all the points in all the rectangle box starting from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that. Just copy and paste. Again copy and paste the blue car in every block and red car in every block. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. After that, in the selection pane, rename it. Like I am going to rename it one blue car, two blue car, three blue car, like that. One red car, two red car, three red car, like that. All the 6 red cars and all the 6 blue cars. After that, I am going to give the animation the main motto of our game. For that, I am going to select all the 6 cards as just press the control key and click the mouse and all the 6 blue cards and all the 6 red car. Go to the animation, add animation. There's an animation of appear, and this animation is done for the 6 cards in every block. After that, click on animation pane. As we have seen, all animations are here. Click on first car, click on trigger. On click off, that first block, step 1 blue, which we have renamed our blue car first block, that is step 1 blue. Again for our red car, first red car, click on step 1 red, that is our first block of red car. Same we have to do. What actually we are doing here is when we click on that first rectangle, that car should appear. When we click on the first red car rectangle of our second row, that car should appear. So we are giving the trigger point of these rectangles. For every particular block, give the trigger point of that rectangle only. As we have already renamed it for our convenience, you can rename it whatever you want for your convenience. As we can see, I am giving every car a trigger point easily. After that, what will happen when I click on the particular rectangle, that car will appear. After that, I am selecting the 2 cars which is on the start line and I am giving the animation disappear and I am giving the trigger, that step 1 blue, and to the next car, red car, that is step 1 red. Why I am giving this? Because when I click on my first rectangle, the car on the start line should disappear and the car should appear on the first rectangle only. Like this, I am going to select the 5 cars which is on 5 point, 10 point, 15, 20 and 25 coins. 5 blue car and 5 red car, and giving the animation of disappear. The same thing happen when I want to click on the next block, like I'm clicking on the 10 point block, it should disappear from the 5 point block. So for that, for our one blue car, I'm giving the trigger point of our second rectangle. For the two blue car, I'm giving the trigger point of third rectangle. And likewise, for the one red car, I'm giving the trigger point of our second rectangle of our red card, which is of 10 points. For the second red car, I'm giving the trigger point of third rectangle. Each is naming already, so you can identify it very easily. You have to do the same for the 5 point, 10 point, 15 point, 20 point and 25 points car, which is give the trigger point. Likewise, give the next block as a trigger point. After that, it's time to give animation to our last two cars, which is on 30 point. For that, do select both the cars, give the animation of click on more motion path and click on right. Give the trigger point of the same rectangle block only. That is, for the blue car, I'm giving the trigger point as step 6 blue, and same for the red car. Make it with previous, and it's time for our dice animation. Let's move on. In my last video, I've already explained how to make the rolling dice. I'm just copy and pasting it here because the video will be too longer if I'm going to explain it here also. So please visit my last video and please come back here. As you can see in animation pen, all the animations are also there. Click on insert, click on word art. Right, blue player is winner. When blue player win the game, just set size and font as always. Animation grow and turn, I'm giving it here, and just as you can see on click, I'm making it after previous. Move later, there is an option move later, and I am setting it just below that rectangle, or just give the trigger point. Just right click it, give the trigger point of that our step 6 blue, that sixth rectangle in the blue line, and make it after previous. Start after previous. When car moves, that blue player is winner, animation should come out. Same I'm going to do it with red player. Click on insert, click on word art, select a word art, red player is winner. Same thing I'm repeating. Set the font and size and give the animation, add animation. I'm giving the animation grow and turn. Like same, I'm clicking the option move later. You have one more option, just give the trigger of the sixth step 6 rectangle block and select it here and make it start after previous. Very easy. Now our game is completely ready, and I'm going to show the animation how it looks. As you can see, our game is completely ready. Click on the dice will come. If 5 comes, make one step forward. The game will continue like this. I am not going to play the whole game here. I'm just giving you the overview. Okay, as you can see, I'm just taking the blue car forward to make you feel how the game will come forward. Okay, then and you can see when I click on the last block, our car moves forward and blue player is win. If you like the video, please comment, like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.